I lived, but he didn't. And I still can't believe it.
Peggy and Newman Smith were vaccinated, wore their masks, and stayed home. Still, they tested positive for COVID-19 in late August. 10 News reporter Grace King shares their story.
The sound of the mountains brought Peggy and Newman Smith together.
There was a Dulcimer festival, and we talked for an hour and a half. And I said, he's the most fascinating man I have ever talked with.
Now, this sound of the instrument he made her is keeping Peggy strong.
He was a wonderful man, and I can't believe he's gone.
Newman and Peggy Smith got sick in late August.
We both had our vaccinations and wore our masks and distanced. So we thought it was allergies. And even after we got hit really hard, we thought, oh, it must be flu.
But testing showed COVID-19.
You can catch it really quickly. We're examples of that.
Newman fought the virus at LeConte Medical Center.
They were wonderful.
He died as Peggy came to pick him up.
Seeing all of that, it was heartbreaking. Emergency room had people in the hallways being treated in beds. And I told the doctor, one of them who worked so hard to save him, this is a war zone. And he said, when you leave this place, would you please be a witness to what you have seen?
This war took the love of Peggy's life.
He was the pirate who stole my heart.
It took a craftsman, father, and man of faith.
That's the highlight of our life, to be able to give something to God through this way.
Their church feels emptier without him.
It's going to be kind of hard to look back there.
But Peggy plays on.
I'll do the best I can with what time's left for me. I know I'll see him again someday. And that means everything. And I think he must be looking down on me.
I'm Grace King in Gatlinburg.
In Tennessee, 83% of all COVID-19 deaths are among people who aren't vaccinated. Unfortunately, Newman was among the 17% who were fully vaccinated. He was 75 years old.